What is Luminar NEO? Luminar NEO is a creative image editor powered by AI technologies of the future, that enables creators to bring their boldest ideas to life and enjoy it. Luminar NEO offers leading-edge AI technologies and a flexible workflow that allows anyone to accomplish creative tasks and achieve professional quality editing results. The new engine the Skylum team has built for Luminar NEO is based on all the best solutions from the combined and evolved experience for maximum performance and flexibility, and is developed for achieving complex creative results. What's new in Luminar NEO compared to Luminar AI? According to Skylum official page, Luminar NEO is a giant leap forward to more innovative, AI-based editing that targets the pains of photographers. Its goal is high quality, fast, easy, and enjoyable results for anyone who wants to edit their images and channel their creativity in new ways. The collection of AI-powered tools take a significant jump forward in function and performance with Luminar NEO. The application expands its toolbox with more groundbreaking AI-powered tools. The new tools are joined by additional options to solve even more problems and unleash creativity. Compared to Luminar AI, the new features including 1. Speed up your editing workflow with our new fast core engine. It's based on unique technologies developed by Skylum and works on a module system, which means that different parts of the application can now be optimized separately for the best results. 2. Completely transform your photos with new relighting options. Luminar NEO analyzes each image to recognize the depth of a scene and its subject, allowing for unique control over exposure and tone. 3. Easily remove distracting image blemishes caused by a dirty camera sensor or lens. There are also new tools to clean up unwanted elements in the background of a photo. 4. Explore creativity with an effortless layers workflow and combine a photograph with other visual elements. 5. Skylum is also excited to announce that a new mobile app is in development. It will allow easy transfer of photos between a mobile device and a computer. Is Luminar NEO the next version of Luminar AI? Skylum said, Luminar NEO is a new image editor that unlocks an imaginative level of creativity and innovation. It is a quintessence of all our applications released to date. The software will retain almost all Luminar AI's features and offer a great variety of innovations permeating the entire workflow for the best experience with the product inspired by you. Is Luminar NEO replacing Luminar AI? Luminar AI is the easiest to use image editor fully powered by artificial intelligence for those who prefer a time-saving template-driven workflow for quick results. The app can swiftly guide you to the best outcomes while still preserving editing flexibility. Moreover, it's a compact and easy-to-navigate application that already packs the core tools that one needs for great results. In its turn, Luminar NEO is for those who want more editing options and more creative control. The application provides the ability to build detailed and expressive images with an advanced layer-based workflow and flexible tools that can be applied in any order. It also boasts a high-speed core engine that will help accelerate more complex tasks. Luminar AI is a complete set of tools that will not grow in complexity. You can continue to expand its template-driven workflow with new additions from the Luminar marketplace or with Luminar X. Skylum said, they will keep updates to its performance and camera support, also will ship updates for things like the forthcoming Windows 11 from Microsoft. According to official announcement, in Luminar NEO, you will find all the core functionality of Luminar AI plus much more. You'll also be able to migrate your Luminar AI templates to Luminar NEO. So you may find Luminar NEO easy to use as it packs a convenient design, faster speed, and even more unique and helpful tools so you can achieve spectacular results. Well, in my opinion, if you already have Luminar AI, maybe there is no need to get Luminar NEO, but if you are a new user, you can try Luminar NEO.